Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and uh, use a CATIA software, and this command is learn here. At first command is curve driven pattern, and second is sketch driven pattern, and third is table driven pattern. Okay, one by one is learn here. And guys, today discuss here SolidWorks Lecture 35 and SolidWorks all 3D commands learn easily and clearly, and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, at first open a SolidWorks software, and this command is used here. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software interface, and this command is very useful and helpful. Use a curve driven pattern. Okay, at first draw any geometry, and at first select a plane, front plane, and click draw any circle, and diameter is a okay, this diameter is delete here. Okay, and this diameter is a 150 is correct. Okay, and exit, and extrude boss is a 20 is correct. And plane is a plane white. Okay, and at first select this face and click and normal. Okay, and draw a state slot, create here. Okay, this is a create here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. A slot is a use a circular pattern, and this pattern is select here, and this is a 5 is correct, all is perfect. Okay, point select, and 0 360-degree angle and equal spacing, and this is pattern is 5, all is perfect, and this is a okay, and exit, and extrude boss, and okay, this is a 40 50 correct. This is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a color is change here, and at first this is a delete, and okay, select this, and this face is selected, and blue color is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and again select this color, and this is a clear, and select this and select any. Okay, this color is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and some mirror command is used here. At first select a plane is a this, and this is a middle plane is used here, and okay, and some use a mirror, and this mirror and also this mirror is same. Okay, and explain all these points is deeply, but today a little use here. Okay, and explain this mirror command is deeply. Okay, and mirror command is used, and select this plane is this, and this body is a select here, this is a correct. Okay, this is a feature is correct, this feature is a showing here is okay. Okay, all is perfect, and this plane is hide. Okay, okay, looking perfect, this is looking perfect, but at first select this face, and okay, control Z, undo is correct, this face, and sketch normal. Okay, and draw any circle. Okay, this is a draw here. Okay, and use a use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a okay, this is a extrude cut is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and use a this pattern is at first curve pattern. Okay, curve pattern is used here. At first select this face and a sketch and normal and draw any curve, means draw any spline command. Okay, this is a spline command is a draw here. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, all is correct. Okay, this is a looking nice. Okay, and exit and use a curve pattern. Okay, this arrow is same size. Okay, this is correct, and click this. Okay, this is a correct, and click extrude cut. Okay, all is perfect looking here, and click OK. This body is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, so nice looking here. This body is a perfect, and click this middle and select a normal and draw a circle. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and exit and draw a extrude cut. Extrude cut, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a looking so perfect. Okay, all is correct. This plane is hide and looking all is perfect. Okay, okay, and this is isometric. Okay, isometric is a draw here, and this is a looking. Okay, this is a perfect looking so nice. This body is a correct. Okay, 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 guys, at first curve driven pattern is discussed here, and next lecture is coming soon, and this lecture is complete here. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.